Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to unwrap and unbox one of these mystery presents from my mom. She brought this back from Japan. Most of these presents are for December for my advent calendar. But she added a couple of presents for July to November so I can open 2 presents every month. It is really sweet of her to get these presents for me, so I am really grateful for that. Thank you, Mom, for doing this, and let's start the unwrapping. For the first one I am going to unwrap, I chose this one because I was shaking the boxes because I got curious and I heard something liquid inside of this, and I think it's perfume. My mom knows I like perfume, so I think she included some perfumes here. So let's see. And it is perfume. I am going to switch to a tripod and better lighting so I can show it to you guys properly. This perfume is Tresor by Lancome, and I think this is a vintage bottle because this one is more flat and the current version of Tresor is more like an upside down pyramid. So what does it smells like? To me it smells like flowers with vanilla or something sweet like vanilla. And I could also smell something earthy like dried woods. That's how I would describe this perfume, or that is my first impression of this perfume. So that's it for the first unwrapping, and let's go to the second unwrapping. I chose this one because the box is interesting and I could also hear something rattling inside like jewelry or something kind of metal, but I don't know. So let's just open this and let's see what's inside. I can see cherry blossoms on the packaging, so it might be something cherry blossom scented. And it's body wash and bath salts. So that's what was rattling inside the bath salts. Let's see how this smells like. It doesn't smell like cherry blossoms or peach. The scent is very light and it just smells like soap. It doesn't smell like fruits or flowers. It just smells like glycerin, which is a soap ingredient. So that's it for the second unwrapping, and that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you on my next video. Bye you guys.